Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit PDFs using Google Drive. This method is simple, convenient, and saves you time and resources, especially if you don't have specialized PDF software. First, go to Google Drive and log in with your account. Google Drive is a powerful cloud storage tool that allows you to store, manage, and access your files from anywhere. Once you're logged in, click the New button and select File Upload to upload the PDF you want to edit. Make sure the file is fully uploaded so it's available in your drive. Next, locate the PDF in your drive. Right-click it, choose Open With, and then select Google Docs. This converts your PDF into an editable Google Doc format. Keep in mind that while text-based PDFs convert very well, documents with complex layouts or lots of images may lose some formatting during this conversion. Simple PDFs usually convert reliably. Now you can edit the content just like a normal Google Doc, add or modify text, insert images, and even use collaborative features like comments and suggestions if you're working with others. When you're finished editing, go to the File menu, select Download, and then choose PDF Document to save your changes back into PDF format. This ensures your edits are preserved in the original file type, ready for sharing or storage. And that's it. Using Google Drive and Google Docs, you can quickly and easily edit PDFs without needing any extra software. It's perfect for fast edits, collaboration, and maintaining control over your documents.